Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction. Just checking in again to bring you guys another day of foundation repair video. As you guys can see, we're already out here at the first stop, and we're in the city of El Cajon visiting our polyurethane crew as they inject 110 linear feet of deep injection polyurethane. It's a pretty cool process, so make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, as I had said, we're in the city of El Cajon, California, and when Sean, our project consultant, had originally come out here to perform the inspection, he measured over 3.7 inches of settlement in some areas of this home. So we already had a crew come out. They installed 14 push piers and took care of some work within the crawl space, and that's leaving our polyurethane crew with just injecting the polyurethane in order to wrap up this project. So as I'd mentioned earlier, they are installing deep injection polyurethane, and this is a little bit different than what we have done in the past and what you guys may have seen from us in the past. Our crew is actually going to be installing the polyurethane at a depth of about between 7 and 10 feet, kind of depending on the area. So they are actually drilling right now and installing some tubes to that depth, and as soon as they're done with that, they're going to be pumping some polyurethane. So we'll get to that here in a second. Guys, so they are just letting the poly truck warm up so that they can get to injecting. They are almost done drilling all the holes, and I just want to show you guys kind of what it looks like once we're done with the pier locations. Obviously you guys have seen us installing the piers and the big mess that it creates, but here's a little area where we've already installed a bunch of piers and you honestly can't even tell that they were there. So here you go. Let's see. Along this whole wall there are 3 piers. Right here, here, and here, and then there's also 2 piers here as well. Just thought that'd be kind of cool for you guys to see. Can't even tell that the piers have been installed there, but we'll be back to some polyurethane.